Hello. Happy day 2.
I was gonna say hello. Good morning. We're having breakfast before day 2 of cheer. I'm wearing my Raglan shirt I got yesterday.
New hat. Turn around. Turn like an owl.
It's got a Mick. It's Nike. We're about to go get a coffee downstairs.
Yeah, and then gotta go to the convention center. Today was dress up day. How interesting. But I feel like I'm going to work, so.
I've never dressed up in a cheer competition either.
Blazer. Storm's in second. This is a good place to be.
Yo, there you go. Hey, vlog! Hi, Kelly vlog! It's ourselves. We're at awards right now.
We're
about
so
to win.
scared.
Yeah,
Yeah, we have not a win.
Like we're like hoping for the gold, but we'll, you know, take whatever.
We're not getting our hopes up.
Yeah.
My hopes have been up and I knew we were gonna win since the day I was on the team.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Okay.
Also, look at Kelly's business
Look
fit.
at that fit.
Look at that fit. She put that on.
It was amazing.
Okay, goodbye now.
Thank you.
How do you feel about day 2?
I feel amazing, and we're gonna hit. Ready to kill it, Lily?
How do you guys feel about day 2?
Good. We're gonna hit and we're gonna win.
What does it look like? Oh. Kelly, you're eating. These balls. Rub it on your pants.
it dark, giving them more that we got. Kicked on the door, tried to knock, but nobody answered. I'm going harder, taking my chances. I keep it moving, I keep advancing, keeping it gangster. Getting the perks and I'm happy to earn them. Mr. Ambitious, kill it, I'm vicious, Mr. Determined. Riding the storm, but focus on rainbow connections like Kermit. The water on my shoulders, it was a burden. Now I don't notice it, everything turning, everything shifting, doing it different. I'm floating, I'm drifting. Shout out the slums, round the world we uplifted, doing it big. We bout to change the game. We out here taking names. Let our voices rise. Let them reach the skies. We bout to change the game. We out here taking names. Let our voices rise. Let them reach the skies. We bout to change the game. We bout to change the game. Let's go. We bout to change the game. We out here taking names. Let our voices rise. Let them reach the skies. We bout to change the game. We out here taking names. Let our voices rise. Let them reach the skies. We bout to change the game. We bout to change the game. Let's go.
To win. Excited for this to be our last routine ever as a team. I'm really sad. I'm gonna bawl my eyes out. I will too. Everyone will.
Weather Girls got second place. Storm's about to go.
Come on, Nugget.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready? Are you gonna tear up?
I already am.
Ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah. Take a deep breath. Let it out. It's your last performance. Go out there and have fun. You can start
Singing in the rain, being number one. Come on! Come on!
Hi vlog. A little bit of an update about the end of the season. Obviously, this ending is not at All-Star Worlds. All is well. Storm, love them. We did not have the best outcome day 2. Yeah, but it is all good. They are still on cloud nine. They're ready. They're hungry for next season, and they know in their head what they're going to fix for next season. And that makes me really excited. You know, obviously we had our moments to be sad, upset, feel all of the feelings, but in the end come together as a team and just be surrounded by love and positivity and happiness. I feel like that's kind of the best way to sum it up, by turning a negative into a huge positive. We've been having a couple practices after we got home from All-Star Worlds. It's been like 2 weeks, and we've just been messing around with new stunts, talking about tryouts, all the different things, and I'm really excited for all the athletes on Storm for the future for them. So that's how this video is going to end. Yes, it abruptly ended right after they competed, but I didn't take anything to awards. I just wanted to spend the day with them, not have a camera, feel the feels, talk to one another, be there as their coach. So that's why I'm ending it here now. And I will see you guys soon when I find out what teams I'm coaching, everything about next season. So I hope you enjoyed the season with Storm and the videos that have been posted. And I will see you guys in the next. Bye.